Hello everyone, in this video I am going to implement capacitive sensor on a fiberglass plate. As you can see, this is a fiberglass plate I am using, and you can see there is a capacitive plate here. This plate is not on this side of the fiberglass plate, it is on the other side of the plate. So if I turn the plate, we can see the sensor. You can see here, this is the sensor. So here you can see this is basically just a parallel plate capacitor. This is one plate, this is other plate. This plate is connected to the negative polarity probe. It is connected to the ground actually, and this plate is connected to the supply. So you can see here from these two plates I am connecting the wires to the 555 timer IC in stable multivibrator mode. You can see here this is connected in stable multivibrator mode. So I'll just remove this wire from here. So you can see here this is the 555 timer IC connected in stable multivibrator mode with the capacitor connected in pin number 2 and ground. So you can see here this is the frequency I am reading, 12.22 kilohertz. I have just installed a speaker just to hear the change in frequency when I am touching this plate. So now you can see this plate is this touch switch is installed on the other side of the glass plate. So now if we turn this glass plate like this, so we have turned the glass plate like this, you can see. So now we are reading a frequency of 11 kilohertz. You can see we are reading a frequency of 11 kilohertz. Now if we touch this glass plate, you can see there we can hear there will be change in frequency. You can hear there is a change in frequency. So here you can see when I am touching, the frequency drops. You can see here whenever I am touching it, the frequency drops. So this equipment can be used on windows to detect the presence of any intruder. Suppose there is an intruder on the window and he is touching the window. In that case, this alarm will ring. You can hear. So like this we can detect presence of any intruder on the window. Similarly, we can use this same thing for the detection of any liquid also. Suppose we want to detect the level of water on a plastic tank. So suppose if I bring this plastic tank filled with some water, if I bring closer, you can hear there is a change in frequency. So let us see the frequency change. You can see I am reading now 10 kilohertz. If I bring the water, you can see the frequency drops. There is a drop in the frequency. You can hear and also you can see there is a drop in the frequency. It is 10.15 kilohertz. Now when I touch the bottle on the plate, you can see the frequency will go down. It will increase 10.51. I am facing some difficulties. Just a minute. Now there is no liquid presence, you can see. So here you can see the frequency is 11.42 kilohertz. Now I am going to put the bottle on the top. You can see the frequency has dropped to 10.7 kilohertz. So from 11.1 kilohertz it has dropped to 10.7 kilohertz. So like this we can detect the presence of any liquid also. Now let us try with oil. We will see the results. I will get the oil bottle and we will see how it behaves. So I have brought a bottle of oil and I will be observing how the capacitor behaves when it detects oil presence. So you can see here I am bringing the oil. So before bringing to the close vicinity, we will see the frequency. The frequency was 11.25 kilohertz. Now when the oil is kept in contact, you can see the frequency is 10.32 kilohertz. You can see oil is in contact. The frequency is 10.28 kilohertz. So like this, we can detect different kind of material using this same capacitive switch. So basically this is a capacitive switch. So this has got wide application in the industry. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.